Today, we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming flagship device, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In today's video, we're diving into the latest design updates and features that you might want to know about. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for this, so let's get into it. So, new renders have emerged from Ice Universe, a well-known leaker in the Samsung community, showcasing a fresh design for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The most significant change? The phone is moving away from the sharp, angular edges of its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Instead, it features softer, rounded corners. This alteration aims to enhance comfort, as the previous design often caused discomfort by digging into users' palms. Many users criticize the original design for this reason, and it looks like Samsung has listened to the feedback. The rounded edges deliver a more ergonomic feel. Interestingly, this design choice seems to take inspiration from the Meizu 21 Pro, which was released earlier this year. But that's not all. Ice Universe has shared that the renders may not fully capture all the design changes we can expect. There's a mention of a curve toward the back on the side rails, which isn't visible in these renders. Regardless, we see that the overall look is definitely more streamlined. Another noteworthy change is the width of the device, which has been reduced. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is proposed to shrink from 79mm down to 77.6mm. This reduction creates a bit more screen real estate, bumping the diagonal size from 6.79 inches to an impressive 6.86 inches. One of the other exciting aspects is that the S25 Ultra is anticipated to be slimmer than its predecessor. It's expected to measure a mere 8.4mm thick, compared to the 8.6mm of the S24 Ultra. A thinner device is always welcome, especially when it doesn't sacrifice performance. Now let's talk about performance. As is tradition with new Galaxy devices, the S25 Ultra will house a brand new Snapdragon chip. Paired out with a hopping 16GB of RAM, and you can expect blazing fast performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this device should handle it with ease. Moving on to photography, something we know Samsung takes very seriously. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to introduce two new camera modules, an ultra-wide lens and improved telephoto sensor. These upgrades would potentially elevate your photography experience to new levels, enhancing both sharpness and color accuracy. In conclusion, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design is shaping up to be not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also more comfortable to use. With performance enhancements and camera upgrades, it seems like Samsung is ready to secure another win in the competitive smartphone market. But I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these design changes? Are you excited about the S25 Ultra? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this information helpful, and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.